Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to iron on shirt. Preheat the iron to the fabric setting, place the transfer design face down, and press with firm, even pressure for the recommended time while avoiding steam to prevent bubbling. Let the transfer cool fully, then peel the backing slowly from one corner. If edges lift, press again through a cloth barrier and follow garment care to extend the design life. Check fabric label for heat tolerance, test the iron on a scrap, and use a hard flat board with a clean cover. Position the transfer and secure with heat-resistant tape, then apply even pressure without sliding while avoiding steam. Keep the iron motionless for the recommended seconds, allow full cooling, then wash garments inside out on gentle cycle to protect the design from wear and fading. Quick recommendation: if you like improving everyday skills, subscribe and like for more practical tips. Quickly, a book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how people think about money and can free up time for projects like perfecting shirt transfers. Check the description for the link and current deals, support the channel if you find this helpful, and now let's get back to the video. To fix bubbling, cool completely, then press again through a thin cloth using steady heat and pressure, avoiding steam. For partial lifts, apply a small dab of fabric adhesive under the edge and reseal with heat or repeat pressing for stubborn spots. If the design shifted, remove carefully while warm and realign on a flat surface, then press with firm, even strokes until the design bonds fully to avoid peeling later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.